Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SourceTree and remove SSH keys step by step clearly. To begin the uninstallation process, first, ensure that SourceTree is closed. On Windows, navigate to the control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. Once in the control panel, select Programs and Features. Locate SourceTree in the list of installed programs. Right-click on SourceTree and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Now, let's remove the SSH keys associated with SourceTree. Open the File Explorer on your computer. Navigate to the .ssh directory, which is usually found in your user profile folder. Look for files named id_rsa and id_rsa.pub. These files represent your private and public SSH keys. If you don't need these keys for any other applications, you can delete them. Select the files and press the delete key on your keyboard. Confirm any prompts that appear to ensure the files are permanently removed. If you have additional SSH keys, check for any files with the .pem or .ppk extensions. Delete any unnecessary keys as well to keep your system clean. After you have removed the keys, it's important to verify that they are gone. Open a command prompt or terminal, depending on your operating system. Type ls/.ssh to list the contents of the .ssh folder. Confirm that the files you intended to delete no longer appear. Finally, restart your computer to refresh your system settings. This completes the uninstallation of SourceTree and the removal of its SSH keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.